Hey Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network, the map of the future. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. They've got this biometric wallet which has got $50 off. They've got a biometric wallet 2x package as well, guys, which has got $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below. And you can check out Decent. It has got 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. And guys, try to keep your assets in cold storage. That is the best way to go. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of XPR at the time of the recording, guys. So this is XPR Network, guys. It is up 1.05% for the day, guys. The price is 0.001073. The market cap is almost $28 million. 27.5 million dollars at the moment. If we look at the, there's nothing much in the daily chart. If you look at the 7-day chart, what is there? Okay, so XPR also dipped with the rest of the market, guys. The entire market was bloody, guys. I know only a handful of projects, or I can count them on one hand, basically, that were green. Basically, the ones that I have followed. There might be others as well, but most of the projects I know of were red, guys, in the last month or so. The BTC all-time high volatility, as well as what is happening around the globe, the fundamental news, everything basically emerged and created this bloodbath. Anyways, guys, if you look at the 7-day chart, it has fallen from 0.0013 almost all the way to it fell to 0.00098445. It added a zero, but a sudden in an instant came back up, guys. When a zero is killed, I've told you time and again, it becomes a bit difficult to add that back due to psychological mindset of the investors, because this becomes a psychological level. It becomes a support as well. So if we look at the monthly chart, it is down 38.08% in the last month. It has fallen from 0.0018 all the way to the aforementioned aforementioned price. If we look at the yearly chart, what do we have here? So yeah, let me show you here. Here we can see the bigger picture. In the last year, guys, it went from 0.005748 all the way to 0.0023. We've been talking about XPR since a while now. If you bought it around these levels, you'll still be in profit, guys. But obviously not as much if you had taken profits over here, but nobody knows. And to be very honest, I cannot time the market. I'll talk about myself first. It becomes a difficult to take profits when you know that a project is basically going up. It broke this resistance. One becomes greedy and adds his own position even more, guys. So who knows that suddenly it's going to be coming down. Although, yeah, when BTC hit its all-time high, a lot of people said, the proponents, technical experts said that, even the fundamental experts, they said that there will be volatility in the market. So, anyways, it happened, and XPR came down and it tested this support, the 0.0011 mark. It basically broke it, and it came down to test this other support level as well, which we talked about, the 0.0099 level. It has rebounded from this point here. Let's hope that it continues, because even if you look at the daily, guys, it came back down and it is going back up again. So let's see how it goes, because, guys, for what XPR is offering, the market cap is extremely down at the moment, guys. $27.5 million market cap is nothing. The volume, although I would like it to be a bit more, because 944,000 market volume is nothing for a project of this level. Anyways, let me show you over here, guys, this post about the official roadmap of XPR Network and what's happening. If you're confused as to what they're doing, guys, they've basically posted this 14 hours ago. Curious about XPR Network's past achievements or plans for the future? See the official roadmap. So let me show you here, show you guys this, guys. It was interesting. I really liked it. I wanted to share this with you guys. Check this out. XPR Network roadmap, core developments, and community projects, guys. So check this out, what they've been up to, the Metallicus team and XPR team. Let me show you. Trust accounts in development. Trust accounts on XPR Network will utilize smart contracts to offer secure, decentralized trust management solutions. Here are the minor accounts in developments in minor accounts. So basically, guys, XPR network is not for only for the adults, it is for young users as well, guys. So check this out. Minor accounts are designed to introduce young users to cryptocurrency in a controlled and secure manner. So basically, you can control it. The parents can control it, and that sort of thing. Because if the industry is to evolve, it needs to basically match what the banks are doing, and banks have those minor accounts and all of that stuff going for it. XPR network invoicing. XPR network invoicing is an on-chain invoicing solution on the XPR network that streamlines the invoicing process. So this is good as well. Innovation, guys. This is innovative. Biometric key recovery. So what is this? Biometric key recovery will revolutionize security on the XPR network by allowing users to recover their private keys through a biometrically secured multi-signature backup system. So if you lost your keys, the age that you lost your keys and you lost your cryptos, guys, that I mean, I think that that is a bit flawed as well, because sometimes, guys, when we secure these projects in a cold wallet or somewhere, and if I were to come back to that wallet 5 to 6 years later, guys, I there is a chance that I might have forgotten the password, guys. There have been a lot of passwords that we forget, be it Gmail or email address, guys. So there should be some sort of backup, guys. So this is good. Expanded fiat ramps in development. Expanded fiat ramps will increase the accessibility of the XPR network by enabling users to convert fiat currencies to digital assets and vice versa. A-chain upgrade. The move to A-chain represents a significant step forward in blockchain technology, both within the XPR network and beyond, designed to enhance interoperability and scalability. I've told you time and again that if a project is not interoperable, its survivability becomes a bit difficult in this new age, guys. A blockchain needs to be interoperable for the enterprise to use it. It needs to have an interoperable ecosystem, guys. So this is good. The XPR network will become an integral part of Metal blockchain, guys, alongside the other virtualized chains such as B chain, C chain, D chain. So this Metallicus is basically building this entire ecosystem, guys. So this is cool. Futures protocol. Futures on XPR network will introduce standardized contracts for trading assets at a future date. Cool. ISO 20022 compliance demo, guys. So this is also in development, as you know that XPR network and the metal ecosystem, the Metallicus ecosystem, they are ISO 20022 compliant as well. And as you know, it is totally going live in 2025. A lot of institutions are going to be following this standard. So the ISO 20022 compliance demo is an upcoming project demonstrating XPR network's ability to integrate with traditional financial systems and institutions. So this will be an official demo, basically, that how it is going to be, guys. So this is cool, and this narrative in 2025 is going to be huge as well. Wookie WebAuth for WooCommerce. iOS and Android open source wallet SDKs were released, so cool. New wallet connection flow. The upcoming XSR upgrade on the XPR network provides a faster and more secure authentication solution. At Ethereum NFT bridge, port your ERC 721 1155 NFTs directly into the XPR network. So some of the small stuff that is happening, small developments, the new home of XPR network. So guys, up until this point, this is in development. So this is complete. The new home of XPR Network. XPR Network is consolidating its core dApps onto xprnetwork.org, providing a unified user interface. This is complete. XPR Network Governance Dashboard, a highly anticipated addition to the XPR Network. The XPR Network Governance Dashboard brings a decentralized voting mechanism. So, guys, DAOs are the future. A decentralized voting mechanism is indeed important for any project, guys. You need to know what the community votes for and what the community demands. Although I know that a lot of people are saying that it is centralized, the XPR the governance dashboard and the voting mechanism, but in due time, guys, I think decentralization, if it is already not in it not happening, it is going to be happening in the future. It happens with a lot of projects. We need to give it time. Let's see how it goes. Anyways, XPR Network vesting and streaming payments. Payment streaming is a new dApp on the XPR network that automates recurring payments. MetalX decentralized exchange is complete, guys. The highly anticipated MetalX decentralized exchange brings XPR network further towards the decentralized future. We've covered this in separate video as well. So if you're interested in a MetalX, do check it out as well. Do check that video out. WEBAUTH web version. WEBAUTH is their wallet, and they've got the web version complete. Multi-currency, multi-language support for WebAuth is complete. Cool. WebAuth NFT support. Fiat on-ramps, fully verified on-chain identity. So this is good. This is a good one, guys. Let me show you. This is indeed the DID and on-chain identity is going to be the future of where the blockchain goes, guys. Where the industry goes. We have built a new global on-chain KYC product using Encode for state-of-the-art verification and authentication. They've got a loan protocol on the MetalX DEX as well. I think this is what they're talking about, the borrowing and lending. So liquidity mining, XPR network market, crypto deposits, MetalX swap platform. These are some small things that have happened since May 2020, the XPR network mainnet launch. So guys, this is the roadmap basically that is happening. Like I told you guys, this is also an important one, the decentralized on-chain identity. We have implemented a light version of on-chain KYC already with TrueView. Further KYC vendor integration is expected in Q4, so this is also complete. This is cool, guys. What do you guys think about the future of XPR Network and its future development, the roadmap? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.